Hello, I'm cold. Welcome to a morning at Caputo's. We have sleepy early mornings just like you guys do at your office or your home office, and we wanted to share a trick of ours. We pair cheese with wine. We pair cheese with beer. We pair cheese with whiskey. We pair cheese with life, and morning makes no difference. So this is something that we happened upon accidentally years and years ago that makes us more joyful in the mornings. I have our house blend in our house cup. We partnered with La Barba to make a house blend. Third wave coffee means a lot to us. It really falls in line with the same values as craft chocolate. It's something that we resonate with really easily, but it was a really, really fun experience to make our first blend with La Barba, recalibrate after new harvest, and create something similar but from different origins. So our newest house blend is African and Central American beans commingled together to give you the same tasting notes that we were after with our first one. You're gonna get some baked apple, some burnt sugar, some marshmallow, and that happens to pair perfectly with breakfast cheese, which for us is Double Aged Gouda. I think there are times for cheese that are meant to be quiet and thoughtful, and sometimes there are pairings that just feel like comfort and feel like home, and this is one that starts your day off right. Pair your lightly roasted, very delicious local coffee with a 4-year aged Gouda from Holland. It develops a really, really delicious and very addictive caramelized flavor. The texture is really dense and really buttery, but because of how that amino acid development happens and crystallization occurs, it is similar to a grana style cheese. However, since it's not from Italy, it just has some really lovely crunchy crystallization. So when you bite through those crunchies, it's not salt. They are amino acids that are beginning the formation of crystallization structures, and it perks you up from the inside out. It makes us ready for our day, and it makes us happier and more joyful, and we want that for you too. So stay warm. We miss you. We love you. Have some coffee, have some cheese. Tell us what you think, and we'll see you soon.